Today we are going to be installing this Frunk light from our friends over at Tesstudio. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because if you like it and you want your own, we got the link in the description. Now before I show y'all what comes in the box, let me start by first telling you what the benefit is of this light. So first things first is going to be the nighttime usability. By default, the Tesla does not come with a light in the frunk, so that's where this is going to come in handy. It's really going to help out at nighttime when you're trying to load or unload your groceries, or if you just pulled over and need to get something out of the frunk. This is a warm 3000K waterproof and heat resistant light, so it's going to give you a lot more premium look and feel, more so than a harsh white light. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside the box. So everything is going to come nicely packaged inside this little Ziploc baggie. You're going to get the light itself, which has like this plasticky silicone type housing. You're also going to get your connector. Now this is the beauty of this light, y'all. This is no cutting, no splicing. This is an inline cable, so it's going to connect directly to the cords that you already have in your Tesla. You're not cutting anything, no permanent changes. So if you want to revert back to the original, easy to do so. You also get a warranty card with a QR code. And last but not least, you get your instructions. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over to Ali. And he's gonna show y'all how to install your front light.
All right, guys, so we're ready to go ahead and install this front light. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and pop the front. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove this WeatherTech mat that Shamili has installed here. And then we need to remove this surround right here, this rubber surround. So we're just gonna lift that up and it comes off pretty easily. All right, so now we need to remove this piece here. So we're gonna just take a pry tool and go ahead and pop this out like so. And now we have this connector right here that we need to disconnect. But this one here, there's a little slot that you have to stick into and then pull that out. There we go. All right, so now we have this disconnected. We can go ahead and start installing the light. As you can see, it's this flexible type material here. All right, so basically what we're going to do now is work this around. And so we're gonna start on this side here and put it here like so. All right, so now we have our wires and we're ready to go ahead and connect them. So we're gonna take our number 1 connector and plug it into this panel. So our number 1 connector is connected into the original latch panel. Number 2 is gonna go into the original wire notch from the car. So we're gonna take this and plug that into here. And then we have the last cable here, which is going to plug in to the actual light. That or like this. Let's see, like this. Okay. There we go. Alrighty. So now we just need to restore this. I'm gonna All right, guys, so now we have everything installed and connected. You can see it lit up. Now we just need to reinstall the original rubber gasket here. So we're gonna go ahead and start at the top. And this rubber gasket is gonna also help the light stay in place so that it doesn't come sliding loose. So now we can also put her WeatherTech mat back in.
All right, y'all, we are back And Ali has finished installing the Frunk light. I'm gonna start by opening up the Frunk. Oh, I like it, y'all. I'm curious to know what y'all think. So y'all let us know in the comments what y'all think about this Frunk light. I really like it. I really like it. And I think it's gonna come in handy when I'm using the Frunk at nighttime, putting stuff in or taking stuff out. Yeah, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Again, if you want a Frunk light, click the link in the description and use our discount code to get 25% off. Shout out once again to our friends over at Tesstudio. Make sure y'all subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell if you have not already done so. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for your support. We'll see y'all in the next video.